Hey everyone, welcome back. If the BNZ app is stuck or not loading, here's what to do. First, start by checking your internet connection. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data to test stability. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, close the app fully from your recent apps, wait for a while, and reopen it. Then, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and check for updates and install the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then head over to your settings app and make sure that your phone's operating system is updated, as older versions may cause compatibility issues. If the app still does not load, uninstall and reinstall it to remove corrupted files. If nothing works, it could be a temporary server issue, so wait a few minutes and try again. And that's how to fix the BNZ Mobile app not working. Subscribe for more